Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw study flashcards from Anki using AI optimized Cloze prompts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Anki application on your device. Navigate to the deck from which you want to withdraw study flashcards. Select the cards you wish to export by clicking on them. Use the keyboard shortcut or menu options to initiate the export feature. Choose the format for export. For optimal results, select the Cloze format. Ensure that you specify the output location for the exported file. Next, click the Export button to save the Cloze prompts file to your device. Once the file is saved, open an AI text generation tool of your choice. Upload the file containing your Cloze prompts into the AI tool. Begin the process of generating study questions or notes from these prompts. If the AI tool offers options, select the style or format for your study materials. Review the generated content to ensure it meets your study needs. Make necessary edits or adjustments to clarify any prompts. Once you are satisfied with the output, save the generated materials to your device. You can now print or view the study materials for effective study sessions. By following these steps, you have successfully withdrawn study flashcards from Anki using AI-optimized Cloze prompts. Utilize these materials to enhance your learning experience. Repeat the process as needed for different decks or subjects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.